So in this video, let us see how you can create this kind of effect. So you can see this gradient smoky effect that I have applied to the bottom of the photo. So this is the before photo, and the photo on the right hand side is the after that effect is applied. So let us see how to do this. It's very simple. Basically what you have to do is, so this is the original photo and we are going to apply that effect here. So what you need to do is just go to this marquees rectangular tool, okay, and then here you have to select the feather as around 60 pixels, and then select the area for which you want to apply that smoky gradient effect. So I'm just gonna select the bottom portion of this image. Then I'm gonna create a new layer. As you can see on the right hand side at the bottom, there is a create a new layer button. Just click on that and then go to the gradient tool. So you can also type this G shortcut key and then gradient tool will be selected. And now you can see here, this is the gradient that I selected. You can select different gradient if you like, but let us keep this for this point of time. And then all we have to do is that we have to drag that gradient effect in the selection. So you can see that this gradient starts from the white color and ends at blue color. So if I click at the top and if I click at the bottom, then from at the top the white color will be applied and it will gradually become blue color in the end. So based upon your preference, you can do it either way. So I'm gonna first show you from top to bottom. Let us see how the effect looks like. So you can see that is how that effect is gonna look like. You can see we clicked here at the top, so the color that was used at the top is white and then gradually it became blue. Now I'm gonna just revert this by pressing Ctrl Z, and let us do the reverse thing. So I'm gonna start here at the bottom and then drag the line upwards. So from the bottom it is gonna apply the white and then gradually it will become the blue in the end. So like this. So you can see now at the bottom this is showing as the white color and then at the top it is showing the blue one. And once you are happy with this effect, just press Ctrl D and that's it. That effect is applied. That's all. Thanks for watching.